Hello high heels lovers and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, first of all please excuse my voice, we are here in the middle of the flu season. Very romantic, right? And I was so sick this week. However, I found the motivation to record this new video, and please be appreciative and just don't mind. That's why I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. I hope that I'm going to record more of the talking in the next days when I feel better. So for today it's going to be just a really short intro, and I really hope that you guys were enjoying my last video about the previous red Louboutin pair. I think that I got a lot of nice comments from you, and I'm really happy that you were missing me and that you're glad that I'm back. And that really stimulates me, that really motivates me, inspires me to make this new video today. And as I told you in the previous video, it's going to be about another pair of Louboutin. This pair of Louboutin, it's kind of a Christmas gift, and Steve, my follower from Connecticut and also a friend, I can say, he has a really big contribution to this gift, to this pair of shoes, and I would like to share them with you. I would unbox as I usually do. I will try them on and I will show you this time maybe 6 different looks with them, and you guys need to decide which is your favorite. I am so excited about today, even though my voice and I don't feel like 100% healthy and in my best form, but it's a pleasure to be here, and it's a pleasure to share this video with you guys. So let's get started with the unboxing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for all things high-end fashion and footwear. If you love luxurious shoes as much as I do, you are in for a treat today. I'm super excited to unbox and try on the stunning Christian Louboutin Galativi pumps in this eye-catching pink neon color. So let's dive right in. As I open the box, the first thing that catches my eye is the vibrant pink neon color. It's bold, it's fun, and it's definitely a statement piece. The Galativi pumps feature a unique combination of suede and mesh materials, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. The 1000mm heel adds the perfect high, giving you the confidence to strut your stuff. Now let's see how they look on. Wow, right off the bat I can feel how comfortable they are despite the high heel. The mesh design allows for breathability, which is a huge plus, especially for longer wear. The fit is true to size and the craftsmanship is just phenomenal. These shoes hug my feet perfectly, and the pink neon color really pops against any outfit. Whatever you're dressing up for a night out or looking to elevate a casual look, these pumps are incredibly versatile. This dress is not the perfect match for the shoes. I guess only the red soles could fit the dress, but now I'm going to show you 6 different looks that are complementing the shoes perfectly.
So guys, it's me again with my voice. Please just ignore it. I really did my best to record this video as better as possible, but yeah, I'm struggling a little bit here. I hope that that's not the case for you. Please just stay warm and stay healthy. Yeah, I didn't have a choice. My son got it from the school, and yeah, the virus, and I'm the damage was done. Anyways, guys, I hope that you like my video today. I hope that you were enjoying my looks. They were really versatile, very diverse this time. So I made yeah, I think looks for any taste, and especially the look with the jeans was something for Samu from Milan. He's a follower of mine and he really appreciates high heels with jeans. Maybe not this type of jeans, but yeah, next time I'll make something different. And I really appreciate your comments. I really appreciate your ideas, and as you can see, sometimes I'm considering them. Yeah, I cannot consider something is ridiculous, but usually I'm getting really yeah, comments that make sense. So guys, if you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content, and hit the bell button if you want to get notified when I post something new. I have actually an idea for a next video, a pair of shoes that I haven't shown to you, and I think it will be a perfect opportunity to share this pair, and I'm sure that you're gonna love it. So guys, yeah, I really need to have a big warm cup of tea, or I don't know what else can help me, but I will try with tea now, and need to finish this video for today. I really love you and I really appreciate you, and I'm happy that I was able to present this video with you today, and I'm happy to meet you as soon as possible, maybe next week. We're going to see. Till the next time, I love you, kisses, hugs, and yeah, my best wishes. Bye guys.